Yeah, about 9 months ago, probably, I don't know, late last year, I had a wheel speed sensor issue on my GLK. Rear right wheel speed sensor, tested it with my OBD, and it did show that the wheel speed sensor was off. Replaced it with a generic brand. It was the only one that Rock Auto had at the time. Put it in, and just last week, the wheel speed sensor went again. Tested it again, it was doing the same thing. All the wheels would read 70 kilometers an hour, and including the right rear, and then every once in a while the right rear would jump down to 48 and then pop back up. So I was getting rear wheel speed implausible. So I replaced it with a Bosch one, and it didn't make a difference. So anyway, after doing that, you know, checked tire pressures, everything else, all the other stuff, nothing else was working. Took a look back here, and I decided to see if I could clean the reluctor ring, if that was it. But I found my rear CV boot has cracked plastic in it, and is leaking a bit of grease out. So I've just been cleaning the degreaser back in there, and the wheel speed sensor is back in that crack between the axle shaft and the axle. Let me point with something for you. So it's back in under here, and it goes all the way around. It's a magnetic ring, and I dug chunks of plastic from this is where the band is, and this is where the plastic chunks were breaking off. You see them? So I need a rear CV boot, but it was also spilling a bit of grease in there. So the grease got in, and I put the wheel back on, drove down the street. It rode fine. I no longer had the ABS light on, so I've taken the wheel off again. I'm just cleaning the living crap out of it for now. I've ordered another axle boot, but for now I'd like my wheel speed sensor to work. So if you can see this spot right here, oops, right there, that semi-rusted metal spot with the band next to it, that's the metal band that holds the CV boot. That should be plastic there too, all the way around, and it's chunked off and leaking a bit of grease. And this axle boot, hear that? It's supposed to be rubbery, and it sounds kind of plasticky. Sorry about the camera. So I'm just extra cleaning it now, and so if you do have a wheel speed sensor issue, don't always assume it's just the wheel speed sensor. A dirty reluctor ring or magnetic pickup ring, it's just a metal ring that goes around the axle shaft. It's removable and replaceable as well, but they usually don't go. But anyway, that's another issue that could help you with a wheel speed sensor problem. Thanks for watching, especially on the front where your CVs, you know, have to move with the front wheels. Your CV boot's more likely to pop on the front than in the rear, but this one is obviously gone. Thanks for watching.